Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog. For today's video guys ay mag-unboxing ako ng aking balikbayan box. This is from Qatar guys. From my one and only #1 fans, viewers, best friend, lahat na po. Ang nag-iisang Mick Milk ng #Team Kalablab at ang aking best friend brother. Ayan, shout out brother. This is your balikbayan box. I've already received your balikbayan box, your birthday gift for me. Thank you so much for this gift. And let's go guys. Buksan na natin itong mahiwagang kahon. Kararating lang dito kagabi. Na, ang ganda ng pagkabalot. Safe na safe yung box.
Let's try dito.
Yung aking gunting ay sira. Last year guys, talagang sinicelebrate namin yung birthday ko sa Qatar. Siya yung
2 hours later. 2 hours later.
Charan! Hala, nakarap talaga lahat. Look at this, guys. Look, nakarap lahat, oh. Look. Ba, dami akong plastic. Dami akong plastic from Lulu. Dami akong pambalot. Hala! Look at this guys. One. Wow, thank you so much brother. Yan, one, isang pack. Two, dami chocolate. Three packs. Ayan, this is my guys, gift daw to. Pero buksan ko daw to once, isang lang everyday magsimula bukas. Ayan. Nakabalot yan oh. With ribbon pa. Sisi Russell, this is yours. Oh, look. This is yours. Nakasulat yung pangalan mo dyan. Sis Russell, Ongkay shout. Two. La, this is mine. Ayan, pangalawang regalo niya sa akin na buksan ko daw isang araw hanggang 22. Pangalawa na to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, pag may mga ribbon guys, yan yung akin. Regalo. May ribbon din kasi sa Russell pero may pangalan. Ayan pa guys. Oh. Nakabalot talaga lahat. Alam ko na to. This is Toblerone. Thank you so much, bro. And this is for my husband, I think. This is for hubby. Thank you, bro. And yan na guys. Oh. Meron pa guys, oh. Pang-apat na apat na pack. Wala, meron pa siyang may Pringles. O diba, ang galing. Thank you, brother! Tsaka meron pa siyang peanut butter. Peanut butter from Qatar. And Twix chocolate. Pangpalaman ng mga tinapay. Sira na naman yung diet ni Inday.
Sige.
At saka meron akong almond nuts. O diba? Almond. Thank you so much, bro. Ayan, may t-shirt pa yung mga anak ko. Ayan guys. Thank you, bro. Ito na po ang laman ng aking ng box na to. Thank you so much. Ito. Ayan, salamat ng marami and I love you all. Thank you for watching. Abangan nyo po ang ang pagbubukas ko everyday nitong regalo ko hanggang 22. Sa ngayon hindi ko muna buksan, bukas ako magbubukas ulit. Ito na po ang laman ng aking box. Thank you so much. Bye guys, thank you for watching.